here's Meet the Colors, the last video in the Preschool Prep series. This video has two colors on the front. This color's name is red, and this color's name is orange. When children watch this video, they will learn that the name of this character is orange and the name of this character is red. They'll fall in love with these characters and they'll quickly learn their colors. This video is recommended for ages 9 months to 5 years. There's an English version and a Spanish version inside, so you can learn your colors in English or Spanish. This video got DVD of the Year also from Creative Child Magazine. And it's part of the Preschool Prep series, which has won over 100 awards. And this says, Preschool Prep Company, you will be amazed at what your little one can learn. Let's see the back. The back shows us, this video starts with a blue screen and it morphs into a character that the color is blue, and then it morphs into a character that does something fun, and this character's name is Blue. There will be a part at the beginning of every scene where the only difference between each color character is their color. So children are going to have to remember that this character's name is Blue, and they'll quickly learn that this is the color blue. The video features red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, and white. All of the primary colors plus black and white. And this is from Parenting Magazine. They said, adorable walking, talking daubs of color perform magic tricks, paint pictures, and sing songs in this Valentine to the hues of the rainbow. This one says, after trying everything we could to teach our toddler colors, it only took a few viewings of this video to do the trick. We are amazed.